Picture stepping into your backyard and feeling like you've just walked into your own personal retreat. No stress, no massive budget, just smart and simple projects that instantly transform your space into something gorgeous. The truth is, you don't need to be a professional builder or designer to make your backyard look stunning. Welcome back to Greenhaven Homes, the place where we turn ordinary spaces into extraordinary escapes. Today I'm going to share with you 10 simple yet absolutely beautiful DIY projects. You can start right now. These aren't the same tired ideas you've heard before. These are fresh, creative, and budget-friendly hacks that will make your backyard the star of your home. So if you're ready to turn your outdoor space into a haven of beauty and relaxation, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to Greenhaven Homes, and let's dive right into the first project. Project number 1. Wine Bottle Torch Path Lights. One of the easiest ways to transform your backyard instantly is with lighting, and this project gives you a touch of rustic elegance while recycling at the same time. By taking old wine bottles and turning them into outdoor torches, you'll create a warm, glowing path that looks like something straight out of a resort. All you need are a few empty glass bottles, some brackets or holders to secure them, wicks and citronella oil. Once filled, the bottles become stylish torches that not only light up your garden beautifully, but also help keep pesky mosquitoes away on warm evenings. What makes this project special is that it feels both creative and practical. You're repurposing bottles that would have otherwise gone to waste, and instead of buying expensive outdoor lights, you're crafting something unique and personal. Whether you line them along a pathway, mount them on a fence, or cluster a few near your seating area, these bottle torches create an inviting atmosphere perfect for entertaining or relaxing. It's budget-friendly, eco-friendly, and a project you can complete in less than an afternoon, giving you an instant backyard upgrade. Project number 2. Hanging Gutter Herb Garden. If you're short on space but still love the idea of having fresh herbs right at your fingertips, this project is going to be a game changer. By repurposing old rain gutters, you can create a vertical garden that mounts neatly along a wall or fence. Simply cut the gutters to the length you need, drill small drainage holes along the bottom, and then secure them in rows one above the other. Fill them with soil, plant herbs like basil, mint or thyme, and you've just built yourself a compact, stylish herb garden that takes up virtually no ground space. Not only is this design practical, but it also adds greenery and life to a bare fence or wall, instantly elevating the look of your backyard. It's an easy weekend project that saves money while making your space more functional and beautiful. Imagine walking outside and picking fresh herbs for your dinner straight from the wall. It's a mix of convenience and charm that makes your backyard feel modern, fresh, and alive. This is one of those DIYs that proves beauty and utility can go hand in hand. Project number 3. DIY Gabion Planter Benches. If you've ever admired those sleek modern benches in outdoor cafes or parks, here's how you can build your own right in your backyard, without spending a fortune. This project uses simple wire mesh cages called gabions, which you fill with rocks, broken concrete, or even recycled bricks. Once the cages are filled and secured, place a sturdy wooden plank across the top, and you instantly have a durable bench that doubles as a stunning design element. For an extra creative twist, leave open spaces along the sides of the gabion to plant flowers or trailing greenery, turning your seating into a living planter. The beauty of this DIY lies in its versatility and strength. The stone-filled base adds a natural texture that blends perfectly with any outdoor setting, while the wooden seat keeps it warm and inviting. It's weather-resistant, incredibly sturdy, and completely customizable, depending on the size and style you want. This project not only gives you practical seating, but also transforms a simple backyard corner into a statement area that looks like it came straight out of a professional landscape design magazine. Project number 4. Wooden Pallet Lounger with Storage. When it comes to affordable backyard furniture, pallets are a DIYer's best friend. With just a few reclaimed pallets, some sanding, and a coat of paint or stain, you can create a rustic outdoor lounger that looks stylish and feels incredibly comfortable. Stack the pallets to your desired height, secure them in place, and top them with a thick cushion or mattress pad. What you'll end up with is a resort-style seating area that instantly elevates your backyard. You can even arrange multiple loungers side by side to create a cozy lounging nook for family and friends. The best part of this project is the hidden storage you can build right into the design. By leaving some pallet slots open, you can tuck away gardening tools, blankets, or even board games for those long summer evenings outside. It's practical, beautiful, and surprisingly simple to pull together in just a day. With a little creativity, you can customize your lounger with wheels for mobility, built-in cup holders, or even a shade canopy. This project proves that with a few pallets and a little effort, your backyard can feel like an outdoor living room. Project number 5. Fairy Light Canopy, Pergola. Lighting has the power to completely change the mood of a backyard, and this project proves just how magical it can be. Instead of investing in an expensive pergola, you can create a simple frame using poles, sturdy wire, or even tall wooden posts. Once the structure is in place, drape strings of fairy lights across the top to form a glowing canopy overhead. By day it looks charming and whimsical, but at night, the soft twinkle creates an enchanting atmosphere that makes your backyard feel like a dreamscape. What makes this project so appealing is its flexibility. You can keep it minimal for a cozy family hangout, or layer the lights with sheer fabric, vines, or even hanging lanterns for a dramatic romantic effect. Whether you're hosting a gathering, enjoying a quiet evening outside, or creating a special spot for celebrations, this canopy instantly elevates your outdoor space. It's one of those DIY projects that delivers a huge transformation with very little cost, turning your backyard into a magical escape. Project number 6. DIY Backyard Movie Screen. Imagine watching your favorite film under the stars, without leaving the comfort of your backyard. With just a white sheet, a few pieces of PVC pipe or wooden frames, and some clips, you can build your very own outdoor movie screen. Stretch the fabric tightly across the frame, secure it in place, and pair it with a small projector to bring the magic of the cinema right to your garden. Add a few chairs, beanbags, or blankets on the lawn, and suddenly your backyard becomes the best entertainment spot in the neighborhood. The beauty of this project is that it's as practical as it is fun. You can roll it up and store it when not in use, or keep it as a permanent feature if you have the space. It's a fantastic idea for family nights, gatherings with friends, or even a romantic evening outdoors. Plus, it costs only a fraction of what professional outdoor screens would. Yet it creates memories that last far longer. With a DIY movie screen, every night in your backyard has the potential to become a special occasion. Project number 7. Rustic Vertical Water Feature. There's nothing quite as calming as the sound of flowing water, and with this simple project, you can bring that peaceful touch right into your backyard. By stacking a few barrels, flower pots, or even old metal buckets, you can create a tiered water feature powered by a small, inexpensive pump. As the water trickles from one container to the next, it adds both movement and music to your garden, transforming even the smallest space into a serene retreat. You can decorate the feature with stones, plants, or fairy lights to make it uniquely your own. What makes this DIY so wonderful is that it doesn't require a huge space or budget to make a big impact. Whether you place it by your seating area, in a corner of your garden, or near your patio, it instantly elevates the atmosphere. The combination of rustic containers and the gentle sound of running water brings a spa-like vibe to your home. It's functional, stylish, and endlessly relaxing, proving that even a small project can completely change the feel of your backyard. Project number 8. Painted Brick Garden Edging. If you want to give your garden a quick facelift without spending a fortune, painted brick edging is the perfect solution. Instead of leaving old bricks lying around, line them neatly along your flower beds or walkways, and give them a fresh coat of weatherproof paint. You can stick with classic tones, like terracotta and earthy browns, or you can get creative with bold colors like teal, mustard, or soft pastels for a more artistic look. The pop of color frames your plants beautifully, and makes the entire space look tidy and intentional. This project is simple but has a big payoff. The edging helps keep weeds and grass from creeping into your flower beds, while also giving your backyard a polished, professional finish. It's a DIY you can complete in a single afternoon, but the results will last for years. With just some leftover bricks and a bit of paint, you can transform your garden borders from plain and forgotten to colorful and stylish. It's proof that even the smallest changes can make your outdoor space feel brand new. Project number 9. Upcycled window frame greenhouse. If you've got old window frames lying around, don't toss them. Turn them into a charming mini greenhouse for your backyard. By arranging the frames into a cube or angled structure and securing them with hinges and brackets, you can create a beautiful glass enclosure that protects delicate plants and seedlings. One side can be built as a small swinging door, making it easy to access your plants while keeping them warm and shielded from harsh weather. It's an eye-catching feature that brings both character and function to your outdoor space. What makes this DIY so special is the mix of vintage style and practicality. The aged window panes reflect light in the garden, giving it a cottage-like feel, while the greenhouse function helps extend your growing season. You can paint the frames bright white for a clean classic look, or leave them weathered for rustic charm. Either way, it becomes a standout piece in your backyard, proving that sometimes the most overlooked items can be repurposed into the most gorgeous features. Project number 10. DIY Outdoor Coffee Bar Station. For those who love to start the day outside or enjoy entertaining guests, an outdoor coffee bar station is the perfect addition to your backyard. With just an old cabinet, a sturdy table, or even a couple of stacked pallets, you can create a dedicated beverage station. Add shelves for mugs, hooks for utensils, and a space to keep your favorite coffee blends or a small cooler for drinks. Decorate it with potted plants, a chalkboard sign for a fun cafe vibe, and maybe even string lights above to set the mood. This project is all about combining function with charm. Instead of running back and forth inside for drinks, everything is right there in your backyard, ready to enjoy. It makes morning coffee more relaxing, weekend gatherings more enjoyable, and your outdoor space more inviting overall. Whether you keep it simple or go all out with custom paint and decor, an outdoor coffee bar is a gorgeous yet practical DIY that instantly upgrades your backyard lifestyle. Now that you've got a list of creative DIY projects to transform your backyard, let's not forget the importance of keeping it all fresh and well-maintained. One of the simplest habits you can adopt is setting aside just 15 minutes a week to tidy up your outdoor space. Sweep walkways, remove fallen leaves, and give your plants a quick check for pests or dry soil. These little steps prevent small problems from becoming bigger ones and keep your backyard projects looking just as beautiful as the day you made them. Another great tip is to weatherproof your DIY creations. A coat of sealant on painted wood, rust-proof spray on metal features, or a layer of mulch around your garden beds can dramatically extend their lifespan. Seasonal touch-ups, like refreshing paint or restaining wooden surfaces, also make a huge difference. By maintaining your backyard regularly, you won't just enjoy it for a season, you'll create a space that stays vibrant and inviting all year long. And there you have it, 10 simple yet gorgeous backyard DIY projects. You can start today, plus a few maintenance tips to keep everything looking amazing. Remember, your outdoor space doesn't have to be expensive or complicated to feel like an oasis. A little creativity, some repurposed materials, and a weekend of effort can completely transform the way you enjoy your home. If you found inspiration in today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Greenhaven Homes, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new idea. Share this video with a friend who loves DIY projects, and let us know in the comments which backyard upgrade you're most excited to try. Until next time, happy building, and may your backyard always be a place of beauty and relaxation.